Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about yoga for specific populations. Yoga is a great way to improve your physical and mental health. It can help you to increase your flexibility, strength, and balance. It can also help to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. But if you're part of a specific population, such as pregnant women, people with disabilities, or older adults, you may be wondering if yoga is right for you. The good news is that yoga can be beneficial for people of all ages, abilities, and backgrounds. However, there are some specific poses that may be more or less appropriate for certain populations. For example, pregnant women should avoid poses that put pressure on the abdomen. People with disabilities may need to modify poses to accommodate their specific needs. And older adults may need to start with gentler poses and gradually increase the intensity as they get stronger. Here are some of the benefits of yoga for specific populations. Pregnant women, yoga can help to improve flexibility, strength, and balance during pregnancy. It can also help to reduce stress and anxiety, and prepare the body for childbirth. People with disabilities, yoga can help to improve range of motion, strength, and balance in people with disabilities. It can also help to reduce pain and fatigue, and improve overall well-being. Older adults, yoga can help to improve balance, flexibility, and strength in older adults. It can also help to reduce the risk of falls, and improve overall health and well-being. People with chronic conditions, yoga can help to manage the symptoms of many chronic conditions, such as arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. It can also help to improve overall quality of life. People with mental health conditions, yoga can help to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also help to improve sleep and increase self-awareness. If you are interested in trying yoga, it is important to find a class that is appropriate for your needs. There are many different types of yoga, and some are more suitable for certain populations than others. For example, pregnant women should avoid certain poses that put pressure on the abdomen. It is also important to find a yoga instructor who is experienced in teaching people with your specific needs. They will be able to help you modify poses as needed, and make sure that you are practicing safely. Yoga can be a great way to improve your physical and mental health. If you are interested in trying it, be sure to find a class that is right for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more yoga content. Thanks for watching.